Yamamo akwaba. Afitu mekande share ewo Facebook and YouTube. Ayamfa kasiyebono entiri mwankasa ensomo. Yansha kasiyebona semfem free asante mantenum. Na nkra free potiri krum eno no wahafo ano south east. Mensenem awa asante mantenum abetodwe chirimam. Lole nkwanhia si emba nipa baboro edunsa na munyina da ahwere wono mo kra ewo mram ambulance and efins Ford Transit bus ibi edekopim mu eno na ka ho amankwanhia yi agye adehye baboro edunsi akra ede afiri wonom ensem na enka ne chiremam eye ambulance a enamekasai enam no soma nkwanhia ne baaye no the registration number ne ye GV 527-23 and Ford Transit bus a eno nso registration number no eye GT 6576-19 na odansini ohu de esi nyina ya mani boni ani den ede 7 kwabena o kiremu a ahye mienu nyina na omu nyina de bikra tente pa na obia o babia ofiri ekrom na baako efiri sunyane kwantempon so ana baako nso firi asante mantem kumase de nani de akiremu ewo ne bechim na nka ne kiremu a eye for transit ne de no ofiri kumase akọ bechim sanso ana eye ambulance ne so efiri sunyam potem de ne akiremu asante mantem eye kumase na nka ne kiremu se ambulance no omususu se eye St Mary's Catholic Hospital dia drobo no mo wo eho ena saa ambulance no ye wo no dia na mu kiremu a opimfo bi ena na woda ka ni mu na wode ne kwayar sabia e kumase na mrika tenta wode na no wode ni senti emra na oye wrong overtaking eno ena nam so a ekofa nsan kwanhie di ba ya chese edipa bebro etunum na toyemu ha mu nyina ehwere wonom enkwam na amane boni oton kradi free man kran so amade ye kase eye Kobla 7 echirem say emra mbo mmade kopim na atoyemu honipa mako etunum no mu nyina wuye na no akire mu hu sa foforo nsia eprepa mmade apagya wonom kwayare sabia eno nso anumre na echire din mako miensa asa ewu akwa mesia mo mawuo no akoye tunwotwe ena foforo miensa edala sabia Rodin Semsey etudi ya kasi bweni.
Minia mamena wasina enana pensu yenchia yetiefu. Minia babi pima waye afanu kasi district ya enra arawotem kesiye ana tuwe yewo empotemi ninya ni se awia beye no mienu ekono no miensa so ninya ni je se adent kesiye bi esi ewo eye empotemo. Na mra yeti asem ne ya na so nsenchofo esi kopiem ewo. Emle kopiem won na yes paint and registration number eye GT 6576-19. Ono wa lodu efi kumase odine ni achimo eye bichi. That's na ya ambulance car and also St. Mary Catholic Hospital and also free drobo. The registration number is JV 527-23. On also far or pay for when them absome and so on within the Chima Kumasi. The minimum of Chimo here at Quanaswa, a Quanaquay highway quite now contracted that so ever Quanaso. It's a man double for the Bruce was and the road and bill is a double for the 2 Kaya Papa Minia Bema. Anything I'm gonna go to the highway for the treasure. Spent a year in Primpoma, a Lipa Shamunquay, not spent an air overtaking, and a Vuvian Tuatawane, Amaras Nicosia, Amumuan, a Nipa, Makuma Dunum, and a Wui Ewo Amumua, the Nipa suit me boy, and that put for me boy, the Nipa, DLFM, Cocopium, Ewa, and Jama Gamma Hospital. The Miracle say there's a Nipa in Siani, them Copium, the new so out one and animal, and then paper the Cassadi, a Nipa Makuma could do and our Shamunquay, Quesapania, the sea, Ewa, Puticrum. And no for no strategies at Antiman. Never my own shaka name you need the adoba for me in Yamu and Aji Grano. I'm going to me Ankebi.
And as now, no, a bit more sustaining injuries or wire Sabia, and also Nipa worker and Munano Munina Fremono.
According to any reports, and Nipa is Siani them Kufium where the Damagama Hospital and you made a Nipa Mians a week, and Jadiachi, I feel the able boy near Chimiako, a hospital, and then I put for a good income, near Kosha Grants, near Henia, Ecos, and take with Minusiano. Yet for as part of 1 year or empathy many bema.
Any a woti amade boni otonkra edi free man krenso no aye asante mantem the den edi Kobla 7 and awote ni nkaina oba Facebook no so a DLFM 106.9 Champion Taylor edi videos ni bia gusu ntuba benye bia hwe show. In fact awre hu se Kobrane adwade abapada kama wakra busua se otukwan akwa haba na shenkani mfumuso nti enipa pode dum watwe 18 omo nyina wu in fact mobo na pemfo a yede ne kwa yaresabia wan tena be bia anwene wakuku no kwan so ma de hye omadwada ba pada etu kwan 18 omo nyina wu behwe maya hofefo ne mamu a chese nkwanhia adwo omo kra fra mu nsema in fact oli nkwanhia ne kwa de Ghana man nam so na no adin o sika no edene
pa
18
omo so mo ho adin o
chale
aye so mo yare mpo mo ho adin omo beboa
chale echire din 18 enra nko a
odofo bi ka ho a
ye mabusuafo ni nyina ya akọ we dia no odene Nyankopon form kransie na sem we die wotiri mu fita adwade wotu kwan wakra busua ho oden bibia nyew na de ya ne se wo bekọ na bi kra busua ni nyina sinisire so o wankwa busua ne da kwam na shenkani bi fom so wrong overtaking waku ade hwe nipa sam ho se sebe niam ayempe enipa o
hwe bi mu kra bi matete
Amagana yebedi afofida emoja na yedi bedi afofida yi sika yanto akase bone so
yanto akase bone so ni enkoso angine mu ewa santimantema na Ashanti Regional Police Command achi nipa wotwe acheso mo de omodaada amanfo esisi wom agi omniema ende omode omu edi agro bi eno famra kwan so na omabomode atimi afefa omniema eno no eye omanfo no edia na eye obenim bosom ni de toso eye mienu won fimpi mienu ni aduonu nsia nimu ana eye Ashanti Regional Police Command for di tudwa na omu chemu se omu nyanentie se ye maburu ni bia twehie mu ewade hyeman no ewo Kumasi Mpotem honom achesa agro bi omudi pesika no famra kwan so ana chese ekoso wo ho ende omubo omodin a etimi ekọ honom ekohu sese ne agro omudie nie ende omo nso so a ya suspect ne so omo ma maburu ni hye mu omudi sa agro no ende mudi agro ni na omo nso ewiam na omo dada mu na omo sisim na omo gi omo sika ende team ya officers for omo fra police intelligence directorate etimi ko bia ya honom ekoche eye suspect in wotwe a omudin eye akwasi atakawe no adi mfrisha na aduasansia sanso ana Mandela pepra wedding mfrisha na aduasabako Ernest Odro wedding mfrisha na aduonu wotwe ana eye Joseph Odum wedding mfrisha na aduasabako Augustine Agyemai wedding mfrisha na aduonu 9 ana Eric Ado wedding mfrisha na aduasamiensa Docas Atanga di mfrisha aduonu mienu ana Agnes Basa edi eye mfrisha no aduonu bako na omuko honom na omuche eye suspect nwotwe omusanso enya ye 15,260 Ghana cedis edi from honom a sese no mu a police fo akacha omobuasa na ebeye hwehwemu ebetimi akoso na sika omunya edi fra eye suspect nwotwe honom da so ewo eye police fo akacha a endrada eye obenembo somni de toso miensa won fimpi mienu ni aduonu nsia ni mu ana omodi omokọ asem dibia se ne ebe ya court no ebetimi edi omasem na regional command edi ato eye omanfo ni na anu so momo mani na honom niema bi efa eye agro bi a wodi pepeska no fam na kwan so obi be daada wo be gina monten so adada wo de bomodi ase ube ma wani ada honom se ne ebe yo bi entimi emma okro no so wu se niema bi se so ekọ honom a obetimi abo police fo asute ne obetimi afre eye police for emergency numbers na ye 191 and answer 18555 191 and answer 18555 na chese wetimi eyo masute na omuso no etimi aba na ahoban bo ho sam etimi akoso ewo ho na ye Ashanti Regional Police Command editudwa echemu so mbehwe so mebo eye omanfo no ho ban sane ebe ya niema bi se ne kro no sam no koso ewo ye mantem no atuo ebetimi etwa
yanto akase bono so ne yemfira santimantemu ne yemfia ni nkyiremu ewo finfimantem mekire Central Region na enkre free finfimantem ebe kyiremu am o chechire ni bi ana afinsukue ni omomienu nyina obia age ono ankasa ne nkwa e de afiri ni nsem ewo meya hodo ewo asenfu sumensenem ewo finfimantem na police force se wo mankasa ena age omokra efiri wo mankasa ensem na cheche ni din ade Emmanuel Kwenu wenya mfinhia no aduasan wotwe 38 years na ɔkyerɛ adeɛ wɔ Faith Academy Basic School na wɔde mu kyerɛ mi sɛ ɔkɔ school a ɔkyerɛ adeɛ a ɛna ɔde to ne mfɛfo n'anim sɛ adekyerɛ ne mu ɔde paasa no manam nanso ne ho dodo ne kakra nti ɔpɛ sɛ ɔkɔ fie na ɔkɔkɔ pɛ duro bi ya anom so ɛneɛ nkwa hia ɛneɛ kofie na agya kɔpɛ duro bi nom senior man kofie a ɛfɛ akyerɛ din ɔmantene nka abusua kɔ ne dan mu a senior man ɛda hɔ no ma kyɛ sɛ n'ani ahanhan ɔnkeka ne ho bio na ɛsɛ ne nkwan ɛwɔ no mu na firi ne mu kɔ wɔde de ba asɛm nie abusua wɔ mmɔden pagya na mu no de kɔhyɛ mu asemfo su aban yaresabea na ne wakyi na bɛtɔ dwa sɛ atokɔ amena wanya mfinhyia no aduana mmiɛnsa 43 years no ɔyɛ kuani na asen ɛyɛ bentisen so ɛhɔ no na obutu a ɔyɛ kua adwuma yi na mu kyerɛ ma opani atena ase ahuni sɛ abrabɔ ne na ni ne yɛ ba akokora wɔyɛ kua adwuma saa 43 years ɛmfa so anhyɛ da ma de bia dada na nti nneɛma anhyɛ da mfa ma no hwɛ na afɛfoɔ brɛ ɔma bɔ ne sɛ de ɔma prɛprɛkyiri na yɛdie kɔ soɔ no a hu sɛ abrabɔ twa ne ma ɛna wɔfa atuo de si wɔ no ankasa ne minim ɔhwɛ benkum hwɛ nimfa ɛne di ma yaw akyerɛ din na ɔno ankasa abɔ ne ho tuo owie yɛ pɛ ɛna ɔtwe fon ɛfrɛ abusuani baako sɛ mommrɛ o na mehia mmoa ɛna abusua de birika tɛntɛ kɔduru hɔ no ma asɛm ani ayɛ dene wɔn pagya no kɔpia ayaresabea oduru hɔ apɛ na dɔktafoɔ kyerɛ mu sɛ owura ne den de atokɔ amena wɔanya mfinhyia no aduanan mmiɛnsa kuani wɔyɛ twɛdeɛ ampɔnyankopɔn dea meka sɛ yi asenfo su aposifo ahyɛ ase a wɔde hwehwɛ mu ɛde afa anamontu a ɔkyerɛkyerɛ ne Emmanuel Kwenu 38 years a wɔkyerɛ adeɛ wɔ Faith Academy Basic School ɛna afi so kuani ne den de ato kwame na wɔanya 43 years a ɔno no ɛfiri asen bentinsin so ɔno nso so agye ne kra no aposifo bɛboa na deɛ kɔbaa yɛ nti ɔmutu saa namɔ no ɛmu hwehwɛ mu atumi abɛdadwa
Yantoa Kasiabone so na Interior Minister Ye Mohammed Mubarak Muntaka akasa HM say yen sema dom kumano ba no dini Osanhi Alexander Fenyomakin ekaye edefa ye recruitment exercise no koso ewo security agencies nimno chema enya ade anokra ba kokrampo ewo mesansa Fenyomakin ekasa ye HM say sene recruitment process no ekona ye ade akatahye ene proye ewom aniema bia omo ye na enya ade a efa kwan mu na ye Interior Minister ejina amrahwebedwam ekasa ye HM say yade ensem oka ye nina no kraba ku nim no chema ya adwemmone nsem anachesa Alexander Fenyomakin eka sanso na ensem a woka nina no eni nyina so esanse recruitment exercise no koso ewo Ghana Police Service sanso na Ghana Prison Service Ghana National Fire Service ne Ghana Immigration Service no yade omobomodin ahwese niema mu ebetimi ada honom ende online application na timi ekoso ema omokoye physical selection omoye aptitude test anche eyade medical examination so ebekoso enti niema omu ye nina na omu hwese niema mu betimi ada honom na nsem Alexander Fenyomakin HM sai katahye ne proye no enya ade anokra ba kokrampo ewom.
You were in the chair on Thursday when he started this allegation. I took the opportunity on the floor to correct him and show him and even encourage him that if he wanted information, he could write and I'll furnish him with all the details. He decided to take advantage of the state of the nation when the whole world was listening to us to say categorically that the current internal security recruitment is scandalous. There's corruption looming. People will go to prison. He said it on this floor. And I'm saying that, Mr. Speaker, based on our standing order 31, E and F, that is contemptuous. And I'm saying that let's give him an opportunity to go to privileges where he has all the ample time and opportunity to provide all his allegations so that we'll meet him there with our facts. So, Mr. Speaker, that is what I'm referring, that we are having too many of such things coming from somebody like the minority leader. And the time for him to prove his allegation is here. And the best place to do that, Mr. Speaker, is at the privileges, because what he did on Friday at the Sona was obviously contemptuous by every standard if you measure it.
Enwachi ana Interior Minister Esa Kasa ana ochie mu sese no sene asem ne ba ye ninti no omode akoma eye privileges committee nti eye afanyoma ke ne beka onum se ne be yom betimi aka asem no ana ombe hwe so asem no omobeka no emu ebetimi ada honum na chese se ne eye minority leader kasa efa eye asem na chese no so nam so ma eye omanfo no dream bibia eno no ense emfata le krakramu aneye minority leader Fanyoma King ede kasa na wo chemu se san hihye ya omo hihye nyina no awose omo bomodin ase eye privileges committee no mode koma wom nipa ba ko pentimi nyina honom enkasa enka nsem ono ankasa epe
happen because some people every week registered a scandal. They must create scandals for the NDC government. Happen because some people every week registered a scandal. They must create scandals for the NDC government. Even where there is no scandal, they want to manufacture a scandal. So, Mr. Speaker, we want an open public inquiry by the committee to establish if indeed a minister or a senior NDC person has any interest in the company that is providing the service. We want to hear it. We want to know that minister so that we will take action against that minister. For this president has promised that any minister who is involved in a scandal, he will remove that minister. So the Minister for Interior stands ready for you to come and prove his guilt. That is what we want.
Ye bomodia timi enya Alexander Fanyoma King eneno edi amamu na ne okasa ye no aye majority leader ye Mahama Ayariga.
Reaching out because I was in a meeting, I just texted him. But if in his wisdom, from what he said, there was reaching out because I was in a meeting. In his wisdom, from what he said, there was a need for me to even be at concrete. Then I would be further fortified by my request to you that let us go to concrete. Mr. Speaker, if however, there is no need for us to discuss this matter, Mr. Speaker, as you said, let the referral be made, let there be a public hearing, let Afenyo King, who these days is seen as perhaps, according to the allegation, I'm saying something which is untruthful.
Eni ya uti ye dom kuma ba nudini Afenyo King eye Alexander na manibo ye nsem choni samo foribuatin ana de besumye.
Yanto akase wono so ye nyina mu ewo nkran pompore mantam bio dia. Make I say ebeto dwa se ne ayawaso east abato mpesu aso wano match bedwane oniminyamfo na sa eye tule papai wafiri mu ya bemo na paka be so ne dese ne koye na baton hye so endrada ewa ayawaso east abato mpesu aso na National Democratic Congress NDC amanyuko no emma mbode akoto abakopawo Baba Jama so ono nkogina enimu na onkonkoden emfama amanyuko no endrada na ye branda na ye obenem boss man na toso miensa won fempem mienu na de nu nsiem abato no kwawie na yese Baba Jama de osia ye abato no watumi aprepre kire wadimu nkonim kase a na enye asemkuma kram na Baba Jama enipa odo no musi aka na modoso pam MPP ne onso kwapiri bi ni den ade Baba Ali Yusuf onu gem MPP amanyuku no na afin so independent candidate Omaru Sanda Mohammed enso kutubi onu ye NDC ni nanso ofiri mu fiye ekogina kwantene konso koye no ankofa na Baba Jama abato no moto no nyamu empem du aha nwotwe ne aduwotwe 10,884 votes eno wachi na MPP ni a wogina mutu franka Yusuf Ali Baba enyamu eye empem 9 ene nkron 4,009 votes Ibrahim Idris ono so kogina ye onya 43 votes and afin so independent candidate Mohammed Omar Sanda esunya apemba ko aha watwe ene adio watwe enum 1,885 vote ene senior man so enya ye na afi eye Kano David enso enya oha ene 9 104 votes no so enya ye na wohwe abato moto anipa wo domkoto aba endada ne nyina no eye mpem dunsia aha nkron ne aduonu enwotwe 16,928 ene adehye omkoto aba endada emu mako ha ne aduonu na ne nyina do moto sɛ ne kwamfaso bi amasoom ene 120 rejected ballot na omoka ne nyina bɔ mu no na dodo ekoto aba ne nyina no ye mpem do nson ene aduowotwe enwotwe aduanan nwotwe mpem do nson ne aduanan nwotwe 17,048 eye adehia mokoto aba ewo ndrada na nkrumide ba ya de ma NDC amanyokuo papa eye jama na ni ajepa megese aka ne no ye mahye dwene de ma adehia na wonom ewa akwatia ewa piemante mu obaba suma man Ghana se Ghanaian former high commissioner edema Nigeria manom na make say uhwe voter turnout na ndrada dodo na ansa da nkoto aba ombeka se chiriwia na ade na asa dodo na ansa da ni ahokeka efa aboto visa abana mu chire ma wonom ato anso mbeto ba wie no echire dinti no ndrada adehia mo wo ayewaso east obi afa na ho adwan abano mansa da mpia nkoto papa bi ba ne so koye nsempim na mra returning officer onu gina mma yisi Samuel enim ofoli bobo abato no odi nsempti na tudwo se baba jama abano watimu nkunim okwaduro okokra.
There are 5 candidates who contested in the polls. Number 1 on the ballot was or is Baba Jama Ahmed, and he polled 10,884 votes. The second candidate on the ballot is Ibrahim Idrisu, and he also polled 43 votes. The third candidate on the ballot is Yusuf Ali Baba, who also polled 4,009 votes. The fourth candidate is Muhammad Umar Sanda, who also polled 1,885 votes. The fifth candidate, also an independent candidate, is Kano David, and he polled 104 votes. In all, we had 16,928 valid votes. 120 votes were rejected. And in that case, total votes cast amounts to 17,048. Looking at the just announced results, I, Samuel Mofori, the returning officer of Ayawaso East constituency, hereby announce to you your new MP-elect, Honorable Baba Jama Ahmed.
DLFM 106.9.
I hereby introduce to you your MP-elect in the name of Honorable Baba Jama Ahmed. Congratulations, Honorable.
Enti eni ya wuti ono na ya return officer ndo da abato no ono eda no ne din ade Samuel enim ofori ena wote ne nkan na eno achi ne Baba Jama nkunimde ko ma no wose ne obekasa ede afa ho ono to din semsei etu nsenkyerefo anim.
Let me also give a special thanks to the president once again for finding me worthy to go and work in Nigeria. Those few months that I stayed in Nigeria has added to my experience, which I'm taking to Parliament to serve this country better. I thank the President so much, and also want to assure the people of East Ayawaso that the resetting of East Ayawaso starts now. We are going to Parliament. We are coming to reset the whole constituency and ensure that what East Ayawaso deserves comes to pass.
Any awoti ye MP-elect etema Ayawaso East abato mpesuaso Baba Jama na abato no nyamu ahamjichemu ahamjichemu aduosia miensa echiripo aduasa miensa 63.33% ana abano nya otiti mukram na no achi na de otu franka edema MPP osiriko kokwa nyokuro ne mgofa ase Baba Ali Yusuf echiremu a nkugo ne de aba wagiatum na mom adwuma pi na wo Ayawaso Easter ese omunyina kabura mboana
Yes, the constituency is still struggling with underdevelopment, and we are going to re-echo that anytime we get the opportunity to engage them again, and let them know that if they give us the opportunity, we'll do better than
DLFM
what we see currently. Yes, the constituency is still struggling with underdevelopment, and we are going to re-echo that.
Any awuti yono ene kwejinemu ekotu franka ewo MPP osenoko kokwama yokodi man kwa pre masheba jakwamwa ewa Ayawaso Easter fofia ntwase na wadwade abamu a enkugu eba ne den edim Baba Ali Yusuf
Yantoa Kasiabone so na Mansia West District Assembly for ntimi antoa ba enyi eye presiding member esan se eya abato na omoto ya no nyote so imprempren eya Honorable Ntwibo Osiakon enya 18 votes ana Honorable Opon Emmanuel enya 19 votes na Electoral Commission e de atudwa HM se eya enna edu entemu no mbesan so aye rerun ana eya assembly members honom na ekasa no mu chemu se esa amanyosem nti na se nhihye yo mu hye na ebre na se no nam so nti no ana abato no mantimi anto entimi enyi presiding member.
The course, assembly, financially constrained. Was Casam Hassam Eddie, and I didn't Iska. Now, when assembly meeting by a cost to the assembly and it's financed by the IG. And I share many PM, SSI, another meeting of which SS Casam Society. That is why I am a bit disappointed because we had the cost involved and they are saying I ain't many PM a hard empire. The entire Mammy do me on say, Manson Sebi, yet to a baby, Yana, a young puntu Nessie in their kind of boom. Now, it seems here assembly members, it seems to be a taking political stand. We'll be seeing we MPs, we see people, and into more the interest of Manson at heart. And another problem because Sebi, say MPs saying this, Manson puntu in a day, prayer council day out. Now, and every we see this amount of money and Sebi, and for so I say,
Eni ya uti ye assembly members omo Amansia West Assembly na enuachi ana DC Honorable Prince Menu Morris edeto assembly members ni nanim say omo ma mens ni ye die enye omadihia no munyai amanyosem no san say omo hwe ka ombesan abo omo san so de beto aba ni bio wa na ehu behia so mo beja amanyosem no sane be ya mens ni mpuntuo ebetimi ehia o
na koyesa na du ba bia we say assembly no ka non partisan but do sabri say na partisan bia be de mi hu no ja koyesa say because 1918 se bibi pa mem ama ntiase pa ama e begina wo sa wo ko yiwe ba de ba kura sa na beto
abato de no kura na edi ni so se nka betumi ai one touch ama de wo so dada if say one na akọ one term sinka no one term no nanka watimi akọ ne second term no na kwatimi da finish na my district not me akọ nkan but as say no nka ye ba assembly so
assembly members na ye wa ye nobi ye ntabi e na say ye nua bi akọ enu nti na bi a ye pese ye ni si nkyɛn edi obi ba ana say ye nua na kɔ a wo kɔ ye ade me nyi ni say assembly member bi o wa ha bi ya na e wo manso nkwanta district ne mu die ye ta assembly member bi ya ai na say ye ta ye presiding member ye nta no e ye odo e ya abato e na ye ne a ye ba ye se ye betu bi ya nso no obi ni mu ba bi a obi to kɔ
Eni ya uti ye DC Honorable Prince Menu Morris na manibo ye nsem troni samofo wibuaten ana de besumye.
Ye nyina we so nyake ka madwen chere bi nsom awie ya na ye nko Facebook no so me wa fa se oyibo boaten de aba no wo se oyibo boaten ya atwema ne lebe hen wo se oye member edema MPP media team ene wo kire ma obesere Ghana mampa na ninku Ghana fo ho pa na omiembi dwuma na Ghana fo 2024 economy na dodo na etimi enya dwuma pa etimi aye waso de nchaka se koma Dr. Mahamudu Baumia and afin so Shirley Chei Tiwa MP edema atwema nwabiaja South na owusu bempa inhyiaye so and afi Kwadwo Bamba National First Vice Chairman hopeful yo mate oyibobo atanyame nka ho na me wofa se dola ya Agyei de aba na wo se ontumi nhwe video no mfoni no o wo so yehu a de na ekosuyi Nyankopon fa de hye omakonya nkwanhia wuo no ofo mu nyina kra emfansie yi pam na boama so de aba na wo se Nyankopon ehuye mobo pa na de asei ebetumi ato obia Nyankopon fa de hye omawuo ni nyina kra emfansie yi fise nkwanhia de obia betumi anya bi senior de wakande no kra obia betumi anya bi our actress enya easy dole ya Agyei de aba na wo kire mu a omaya ha na wo hwe kasebo ni free Christian Village Achemwata o sister na no gusua eye Ramadan akwankyere ne bi enti amaze so oni hyada ni mood no musa obebreki anumre no nsia obreki wi a minim breko a dola ya Agyei ehye nkremosom na ase nyame ni wachi opoku active Emmanuel de aba na wo se ye mwadwumaden comfort boache na de aba na wo se good afternoon of Kwadwo o hwe life e difference won dobro more fire me so me das me wo fa se comfort boache ka se boni yam fancy musemufo ne ya maze me belantwe se mu ema yen champion tele de yakopie mo Facebook na fi YouTube makasebo no wonya bi ehwe ya DJ Zigibi echinchim kase free from a edesom yen akenka for yemi no di amege so yogofa o se ade yo de one at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi ma hoteden ene wata free jamene
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa.
Yes, also na Adjoa Sireke achire mo hima. Radio mu ya santo ha Michael Jackson na pamfo. Kwame Efum na afin so sexy journalist. Omode. Diala wadwumadi no. Beto aso dia so me. Mo nyina moniti a adehye.
Freedom is here. Ghana, let's jubilate this